Hey there! Welcome to our channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you the top 5 best cordless drills for home use on the market. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or tackling home improvement projects, having a reliable cordless drill can make all the difference. We've tested and compared a range of options to bring you the most powerful, versatile, and user-friendly drills available. From handling tough tasks to those smaller, delicate jobs, we've got you covered with our top picks that will help you get the job done efficiently and effectively. Stay tuned to find out which cordless drills made the cut and why they stand out. So, check the link in the description below for more details. Number 5. FastPro 232-piece 20V cordless lithium-ion drill driver and home tool set stands out as an all-inclusive solution for home repairs and DIY projects. This set features a robust 20-volt, 1.5 Ah lithium-ion cordless drill that provides impressive power and convenience. The drill is equipped with a 3/8-inch keyless chuck for quick and easy bit changes and a 19-position clutch that allows you to precisely adjust the torque output, making it easy to control the depth of screws and fasteners. With its variable 2-speed settings, 0-400 RPM and 0-1500 RPM, the drill adapts to different tasks, from drilling into wood to driving screws. Included in this extensive toolkit are essential hand tools crafted for durability and performance. The pliers, including slip joint pliers, groove joint pliers, adjustable wrenches, and long nose pliers, are forged from high-quality steel and heat-treated to ensure strength and longevity. The hardened cutting edges of the pliers make them perfect for various cutting and gripping tasks. The set also features a magnetic screwdriver holder, which securely holds screwdriver bits, and an assortment of screwdriver bits to tackle different types of screws. For added convenience, the kit includes a tape measure for accurate measurements and a 12-inch wide-mouth tool bag that ensures all tools are well organized and easily accessible. The tool bag's design allows for quick access and efficient storage, keeping your workspace tidy and productive. Note that the drill uses carbon brushes, which may produce visible sparks due to electromagnetic charges. This is a normal occurrence and does not impact the tool's functionality. Overall, the FastPro 232-piece set is an ideal choice for those seeking a versatile and reliable toolkit for home use, providing everything you need for a wide range of repair and DIY tasks. Number 4. WorkPro Pink Cordless 20V Lithium-Ion Drill Driver Set delivers exceptional performance and style, making it an ideal choice for both professionals and home DIY enthusiasts. This drill is powered by a high-performance 20V motor and a 1.5 Ah lithium-ion battery, providing a strong and consistent power output for a variety of tasks. The battery is not only easy to charge but also simple to replace, ensuring that you can keep working without interruption. Its 2-speed settings, 0-400 RPM and 0-1500 RPM, allow for precise control, whether you're drilling into wood, metal, or plastic, making it suitable for a range of projects from assembling furniture to tackling home improvement tasks. One of the key features of this drill is its 21+1 torque adjustment setting, which allows you to customize the torque for different materials and applications, while the large 3/8, 10 mm, keyless chuck ensures quick and easy bit changes. The drill's maximum torque of 203 Nlbs, 23 N.m, provides powerful performance for demanding jobs. Designed with user comfort in mind, the drill features a soft grip handle that reduces hand strain and enhances control, making it easier to handle during extended use. For added convenience, it includes an LED light that illuminates your workspace, making it safer and more efficient to work in low-light conditions. Moreover, this drill supports a charitable cause. From January 1, 2024 to December 31, 2024, each purchase contributes to a minimum donation of $15,000 to Helping Women Now, adding a philanthropic element to your purchase. It's also worth noting that as a carbon brush drill, some sparking during initial use is normal due to the high starting current, which will decrease over time. Overall, the WorkPro Pink Cordless Drill Driver Set offers excellent value with its blend of performance, ergonomic design, and support for a worthy cause, making it a top contender for the best cordless drills for home use. Number 3. Avid Power 20V Max Lithium-Ion Cordless Drill Set is an exceptional tool designed for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals seeking efficiency and versatility in their projects. This drill kit stands out with its 20V 1.5 Ah lithium-ion battery, which features a real-time battery level display. This thoughtful addition ensures you are always aware of the battery's charge status, allowing you to work without interruptions or surprises. The drill's 15+1 position clutch offers a range of 280 Nlbs of torque, providing precise control for various tasks. Whether you're driving screws or drilling into wood, ceramics, plastics, or metal, this drill accommodates a maximum drilling capacity of 13/16 inch, 20 mm, in wood and 3/8 inch, 10 mm, in steel, making it suitable for a diverse range of materials and projects. Ergonomically designed for user comfort, the drill is compact and lightweight, reducing fatigue during extended use. The rubber-covered handle ensures a comfortable grip, enhancing control and ease of operation, even with one hand. The drill's efficient design is further complemented by a flexible shaft, which is perfect for accessing tight or awkward spaces, and an LED light that brightens dark working areas, providing better visibility and accuracy. The variable speed function, ranging from 0 to 550 RPM, allows for customizable operation, while the electric brake provides additional control and safety. Included in the set are 22 essential accessories, 10 drill bits, 10 driver bits, an extension bar, and a magnetic flexible shaft. These tools ensure that you are well equipped for various tasks, from simple drilling to complex driving jobs. This all-in-one set is an ideal choice for anyone looking for a dependable and versatile cordless drill for home use, making it a valuable addition to any toolbox. Number 2. Black + Decker 20V Max Power Reconnect Cordless Drill/Driver is a powerful and adaptable tool designed to meet the needs of both novice and experienced DIY enthusiasts. This kit includes a 30-piece assortment of bits and drivers, offering a comprehensive set of accessories to handle a variety of tasks. The drill/driver itself is engineered for maximum efficiency with a compact, lightweight design that ensures ease of use in both tight spaces and overhead applications. Its 24-position clutch provides precise control over torque settings, helping to prevent stripping and overdriving screws, which is crucial for achieving a polished finish on your projects. The ergonomic soft grip handle of the drill/driver is designed for comfort, reducing hand strain during prolonged use. This feature is particularly beneficial when working on larger or more intricate tasks. One of the key highlights of this tool is the Power Connect battery system. This innovative system allows the 20V Max lithium-ion battery included in the kit to be used interchangeably with other Black + Decker tools, enhancing versatility and convenience. The kit comes complete with everything needed to get started, including the LD120 drill/driver, one LB2020V Max lithium-ion battery, an LCS20 charger, and a selection of essential bits, 6 brad point drill bits, 10 1-inch screwdriving bits, 9 2-inch screwdriving bits, 4 nut drivers, and a magnetic bit tip holder. This comprehensive setup makes the Black + Decker 20V Max Power Reconnect Cordless Drill/Driver an excellent choice for home use. Whether you're assembling furniture, hanging pictures, or tackling various DIY projects, this drill/driver provides the reliability and flexibility needed to get the job done efficiently. It stands out as one of the best cordless drills for home use, offering a well-rounded combination of power, control, and convenience. Number 1. DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill/Driver Kit DCD771C2 is an exceptional choice for home use, offering a blend of power, precision, and convenience. This drill features a compact and lightweight design, making it easy to maneuver in tight or overhead spaces, a significant advantage for DIY enthusiasts and homeowners alike. The drill is equipped with a high-performance motor that delivers an impressive 300 unit watts-hour (UWO) of power, allowing it to handle a wide range of drilling and fastening tasks with ease. Its high-speed transmission offers 2 speed settings, 0 to 450 RPM for low-speed applications and 0 to 1500 RPM for high-speed tasks, enabling users to tailor the drill's performance to their specific needs. Whether you're drilling into wood, metal, or plastic, or driving screws into various materials, this drill provides the versatility required for a multitude of projects. The 1/2-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck ensures a firm and reliable grip on bits, minimizing the risk of slippage and enhancing the accuracy of your work. This feature is especially valuable for tasks that demand precision. The ergonomic handle is designed for comfort, reducing hand strain and improving control during prolonged use. Included in the kit are 2 20V Max lithium-ion batteries and a charger, providing extended runtime and the convenience of never running out of power mid-project. The battery's quick charge time ensures minimal downtime, allowing you to focus on completing your tasks efficiently. Overall, the DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill/Driver Kit is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable, high-performance tool for home use. Its combination of power, versatility, and user-friendly features makes it a standout option for both professional and DIY applications. In conclusion, finding the right cordless drill for home use can make all the difference in your DIY projects. Whether you need something powerful for heavy-duty tasks or a more compact model for everyday repairs, there's an option out there that fits your needs perfectly. Remember to consider factors like battery life, power, and features to ensure you get the best tool for the job. We hope this guide helps you make an informed decision and find the perfect cordless drill for your home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more updates and videos. Your support means a lot and helps us bring you the best content.